Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration NG17EPX. 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi 170 PS Sport D, Cab Limited L1. It has done 86,000 miles. It is a factory-fitted crew cab. The van comes with heated leather seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, 2 keys, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. This factory sport crew cab is in great condition, with super low mileage. It looks the part, smart but not over the top. It was previously a Category N vehicle several years ago. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.